Hello, slingshot shooters. Let's talk ammo. So let's start with indoor. Let's start small and go big. Number one, airsoft BBs. These happen to be 6mm airsoft BBs. You can get them in plastic or biodegradable if you want to shoot them around the yard and not have little plastic bits and pieces glowing whenever light hits it. Great option. Teaches you proper release. Great training aid all around. You can shoot them indoors. They'll bounce a little bit. Again, they're light. So slapper targets on catch boxes, a lot of them will bounce out. You can get those also in an 8mm too. Next, some of the 10mm rubber training ammo from Simple Shot. They are a harder rubber. Shoot very well. There is a little tag end on them usually, and it will cause some inconsistency, variations, deviations in the flight path. Take a pair of fingernail clippers and just nip that off. Doesn't catch the pouch anymore, flies a lot better. Great indoor option, again, like the airsoft BBs. They're light, they'll bounce off. Not every single one will stay in the catch box. Moving along for outdoor ammo, we have clay. You can see some inconsistencies in how it's formed. But again, an overall great choice for beginners. Frame hits won't be as damaging. Hand hits will still hurt. You definitely don't want to shoot your hand still. I wouldn't shoot glass either. Definitely not a hunting item. Probably would kill small pest birds and stuff, but I would not recommend shooting these at live quarry. Targets and cans are great. Brick walls and rocks are great. Trees are great. You see a little poof as they explode. They totally shatter. No big pieces. Don't ricochet because they break. Great option for beginners and kids. Now, all of these are light ammo. All of them can be shot with light bands. All those bands will also shoot this. The famous glass marbles. Now, I know they're glass. They are a lot harder than one would think, but hitting surfaces such as rocks, brick walls, etc., they will shatter. Not necessarily a great option for outdoors unless you've got a catch box. You'll keep them all. But you don't necessarily want these in the yard where they can be hit by a lawnmower, kids see something shiny reflecting in the sunlight, grab hold, slice their finger, anything like that. Next for light ammo is this guy. And this is moving into steel now. Steel is the preferred ammo. Perfectly round, it's symmetrical, and most importantly, it's consistent. Batch to batch, the micrometers show that they're the same. They're consistently the same size. They're consistently round and have the aerodynamics. As that's flying through the air, the wind is going over and around it. If there's variances in the shape, that can cause variations in the flight path as the wind disturbs it as it moves. So, all of these ones can be shot with the same bands, light ammo bands. Minimal pull effort, great choice for kids, beginners, even the experienced folks who just want to go out and plink and have fun. Now let's get into more steel ammo. here is my case of steel and glass and rubber. Throw the rubber ones in there. All of them are labeled. Need to make sure they go in the right places. Some of them are rusted, but we have 8mm right here. Common target size. Lots of guys like the 7mm too. Not necessarily a hunting round, but a great lighter band round. The 3/8 ammo. This one is absolutely okay for hunting. If you've got the accuracy, 8mm is fine. But that's about the minimal that I would go. Got guys that shoot all the way up to the 1/2-inch steel. Now, going more advanced in ammo, once you're a better shot and you're more into the hunting, have all different sizes of lead. Now, these are all my chronographing kits when I make band sets and I'm testing how well they work. All of them are labeled. Always important keeping everything labeled. Interestingly, I do want to show you guys. These are Hornady double-aught buckshot. Let's pop one out. A good round lead ball. Now that's the same size after hitting a swinging steel target. You can see how it's mushroomed out there. Now, after hitting a full steel plate that is not moving, look at the difference. This was an 80-pound chunk of steel, so it did not move. This one was a 4-inch steel target from Walmart. I believe it's 3/8-inch stick steel spinner target. Now these are definitely more for the advanced. You don't want to be putting lead all over in the environment. But lead carries a lot more energy as far as hunting applications. Now, without going into sling bow shooting arrows, our next option, again for the more experienced, are darts. These are the Sniper Sling darts from snipersling.com. These are the GZK darts. These GZK darts are significantly heavier, so require heavier bands, but they have a lot more energy. Also, these heads are removable. A steel body. A great grip knob on the back. Now these ones, again, removable tip. Carbon fiber body. 3 flights instead of 4. And again, a good grip. Darts are definitely for the advanced. There are plenty of online pictures with fishing darts in people's hands. You do not want any of that. So as far as the steel ammo and the clay ammo, in the description you'll find some affiliate links. You can click those. I will link all the best deals that are currently on there. It's the beginning of May of 2021. So look at those, pick up some ammo, try some different sizes. You never know. It's like bands. What works for one might not be the best choice for somebody else. So experiment around, guys. Give different ones a try. See what you like and enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.